Hi, my name is Annika. I study engineering and I live in Castle Bailey Quad, specifically Damazer House. Let's go check it out. All of the rooms in Damazer have a double bed, and there's a large bathroom which is quite nice and quite modern, a large desk as well as a large pinboard. I've used it to display notes as well as current artwork. Also included in Damazer is a laundry room which has 2 dryers and 2 washing machines. There's a common room area which has a vending machine where lots of people used to study. There's a lift, so you're easily able to move in and out. In Damazer, we have a kitchen on each floor with inductive stoves and ovens. All of the rooms are typically laid out similarly with the bed and the desk, but they're all different shapes and sizes. Some are facing into college and some are facing into the Castle Bailey Quad. Thanks for stopping by, we'll see you soon.